Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're gonna dive right in and we're gonna talk about exercise. I love exercising, I love staying fit. It's all about being healthy. We're gonna give you some tips on various exercises that we do that are fairly simplistic, but it will also help you maintain your health. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. This exercise session will include the warm-up, the exercise, 20-second breaks, and the cool down. We'll begin our warm-up by breathing in through our nose and exhaling through our mouth like we're whistling. The breathing will be followed by some stretching. It's time for the exercise. In this exercise, we will be moving from side to side as we lift our arms in the air and bring them down with the elbow bent to meet a lift bent knee. Let's begin round one. To view more cardio videos on this channel, like the one to the right of this screen, please check out the playlist on this channel titled Videos Related to Fitness. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 2. It's time to break in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin round 3. For maximum benefit, it is best to complete 3 sets of 15 repetitions or more. It's time to cool down. Once again, we will breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth like we're whistling. We will also follow this breathing with stretching. Great, you did it. You completed a cardio, leg, and arm toning exercise. Great job. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.